We're asked to find all the possible values of the totals of the lines, given that they have to be the same. So the approach for this question is to add them all up. In fact, we've got the corner ones, and these are actually going to be double counted as we add them round. But in fact, I'm going to take it slow and steady and add them up. So for this first one, we would get 7 plus a plus x, and then I would add on x again, so x plus b plus 10. Then plus 4 plus c plus 10, plus 3 plus d plus 4, and finally plus 3 plus e plus 7. And that must equal, I've added 5 lots of the total, so it must equal 5t. Now we can simplify this, and one way to simplify it is to spot that we've double counted the corner ones. It's going to be 2 times 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus x plus 7. So I've basically, dealt with these, the 7s, the 3s, the 4s, the 10s, and the x's. And then I'm going to be left with a plus b plus c plus d plus e, and that will equal 5t. But let's think about what a plus b plus c plus d plus e is, because in some order, they're going to take the values that are sort of left over. 1, 2, we've got 3 and 4, 5, 6, we've got 7, 8, and 9. So A, B, C, D, E are going to be 5 out of these. The other one is going to be X, actually, which we don't know what that is. But if I add these together, I've got 1 and 9 to give 10. I've got 2 and 8 to give 10, so 20, 31. So these add to give 31. Now, that means these are 31, except we have to take away the one that we've used for X. So in fact, this is going to equal 31 minus X. Let me just explain a little bit more. So let's imagine that X was 5. Well, I've already counted it twice here, but then I'm counting it again with this part of this 31. So I need to minus the 5 so that I only actually add 26 here. Okay, but I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to have to minus x. Okay, let's simplify. I've got 7 plus 10, 17, plus 7, that's 24, times 2, 48. So 48 plus 2x plus 31 minus x is going to equal 5t. Therefore, 79 plus x is equal to 5t, and it's nicely simplified. Now, the right-hand side is necessarily a multiple of 5, so the left-hand side has to be as well, and that means that x has to be 1 to make 80, or 6 to make 85. The next one on would be 11, but that's not allowed because we're only using the numbers from 1 to 10. So that 79 plus x is divisible by 5. Now, we've just worked out what x is, and therefore we've worked out what 5t is. 5t will equal 80 or 85, which means t will equal 16 or 17. Okay, so these are the only values that would be possible to get a multiple of 5. We've not actually yet shown that we can actually then fill the grid. So that's going to be the last step, and it is absolutely essential in Olympiad questions such as this. It wouldn't take too long now, though, because we know the total is 16 for this one. So let's have a look at what happens. This would become 2. That's okay. 7 here, so I would need 9. Here I need 6. Oh yeah, sorry, we had x was equal to 1, didn't we? So that would be 1. Then 11, I'd need 5 here. And then 8 here, so I would need 8. And that all checks out. 17. Here, oh dear, already we're in problems because I'd need 3 here and I've already used 3. So this means that actually, although x equals 6 gave us a multiple of 5 for 5t, and hence a value of t, we can't actually follow through with it. This is not possible. It's actually very important in this sort of question to show that it's not possible, and therefore t is equal to 16 only. Well done.